So we come to the, let me just show you something here. Signal. So you said, what does it say here?
15 signals necessary.
What does that mean?
Necessary means if someone, basically we give signals to alert other people behind us, but if there is no one, technically we should not give any signal, or it's not necessary.
Right.
Yeah, but
What?
there is no but. Trust me, about this is just I just confused on that part.
So you got, this is exam sheet.
Yes, I understand. So it's not necessary.
If there's no
I
need for
will
the signal,
remember.
you do not give signal, because how many times would you give signal if there's no one there and you keep giving a signal? You're getting a one minor fault for it.
Yes.
So if there's no need for the signal, do not give signal.
Yes.
And let's carry on
I
with what
understand
you were
that.
doing there. Then I ask you to stop again one more time on the left hand side, and this is when you stop there. It's perfect. There's a school on the left hand side as well, so I was expecting you to go past them two cars and then stop on the left.
Yeah.
But you nicely stopped there. You left a good gap there as well at the front, which I was happy there. Then we stop, and I ask you to move again. Some cars coming. You started waiting for them cars. Good. As soon the car gone past, you gave a signal again, and you started moving again. There's the road empty one more time. So there's no need for the signal there. Again, 2 times you've done that. We're going further ahead. When the sat-nav was asking you to go left at the traffic light with the tram lines there. So before we approach there's 2 cars parked on the left hand side just after the zebra crossing. You moved away. You too focused on the straight road. You did not even look once on the right mirror to move away from the car there. And then you came back on the left hand side without looking at that left mirror. You did look in the center mirror there, but you did not look on the left mirror when you came back there. Then we came to the traffic light, and the sat-nav was asking you to go left. When you turn left, you started going into the left side of the road, more onto the green markings there, which is the cycle marking. That's why I asked you to stay on the tram line. You're allowed to drive on the tram line. Left side where the green marking is, that's for the cyclists there, so you're not allowed to go there anymore. So keep an eye there. If you go there tomorrow, you just keep an eye only the tram line, and do not touch the center white line. For them 2 center white lines, the solid white lines there. So you do not go close to them solid white lines there. We came back again. You nicely then, when the sat-nav told you to go left, you did look in the mirror, you did give signal. Well, you didn't need a signal there as well, but you did give signal to stay on the left side, away from the tram line. Now you're heading towards the traffic light. We turned left at the traffic light. Was it single lane or 2 lanes there?
I forgot. Is it maybe single lane?
It was a single lane there. So we're driving fine, we're going fine. Further ahead, traffic light coming up, 2 lanes coming up as well.
Yeah.
Was your single lane to begin with? It was a single lane, and then you switched the lane. You went to the left side of the road. When the blue car was coming, young lad was sitting in the car he was driving. He was coming out. You looked in the mirror, but you kept on going without any signal when there's someone's behind us. You need to tell them which lane I'm taking. If you're going straight and stay in the right lane, you don't need a signal there. But you're the one who's moving away from the road, so you should be looking in the mirror and give signal to the other drivers while my attention's on that time there. Stalling, as I said that, we let you off because it's a different car. But when you do it, just stay very patient. If you see someone on the right, because sometimes it's waiting a little bit longer, put you in a panic mode as well. I'm waiting. Do you know what? I'm going to take a risk. I don't care. But if it's not safe, it's not safe. You just stay calm. Just keep looking for the weight. When you think it's safe gap, all mean you take the gap there. Now the biggest one come now. Now I did get confused. You took the first exit, you passed the second exit, and I'm thinking, when he's going to the left lane there? Because the rule is very simple. As soon as you pass the second exit, move back into the left side of the road and take the left lane there. But you decided you're going to go into the right lane there. Right. You can do that. You are allowed to do that. But at the same time, what you don't want to do is, because I was a bit confused, that's why I asked you, were you going down? Did you get mixed up? And you said, no, I was going to this lane. So yes, you can use that lane, but it's more basically it's more better if you do the left lane. So what happened onto the right lane there?
Yeah.
If there's another car driving on the left side, you remember what the theory says? If there's a 2 lanes there, right lane is what?
Right lane is for either overtaking or if they go straight or like
Fast
if they do the
turning
right.
right.
Turn, yes.
Yeah, so if they do right turns or if they drive overtaking someone. When you drive on the right lane, you hold in a lane now.
Yeah.
So as a laner, I'm not going to drive straight way to 50 miles an hour, but there's 50 sign there, so I'm going to take a bit longer to go into the 50. What happens if these cars going around me and they start undertaking me on that time there?
Yeah.
That becomes a problem for me now, because I'm holding a fast lane where I should be in a slow lane to go into the fast lane. So I'm holding a fast lane, and then everyone could undertake me there. So just remember, next time when you do it, better to take a left. But if you, again, maybe you've been doing this practice. No.
Sorry to interrupt. Basically, I always go to left lane. But yesterday my instructor said you don't need to do too many movements on the roundabout. If you do too many movements, probably you can make a mistake. You can stay on the right and you can take the exit on 3rd exit here or 4th exit if you want.
Now, is that only happened yesterday?
No, that's the first time I take the right lane.
No, is that first time your instructor told you this yesterday?
Yes.
Before that, how many times you done the round? But you said about 5 lessons you done that. And every time, which lane did you go?
Left lane.
Yeah, stick with the left lane.
Yeah. That's the first time I tried. I never tried right lane with him. I tried right lane with you.
It didn't go very well. Tell you the truth. Right. Now, when you're in the right lane, this is the time you knew that it's 50 zone now.
Yes.
So this is when the truck comes in the way now. So you speed up, and I'm looking at your speed. I'm looking at your gear. Your speed is 40 miles an hour. You're still in a 3rd gear, and the car is struggling now.
Yeah.
Right. And you're more focused joining the road.
Yeah.
You're not focused what I'm doing at the moment, what speed I should be there, what I need to be in, which gear I should be in, what looking there, and you kept on going. And again, you change the gear and still want to go front of the truck there. But this is when I had to ask you now, slow down. You're not doing right there. So as soon as you slow down, truck moved away from you.
Yeah.
And they said, okay, he's not listening. Like, I'm gonna give him a space to fill this gap there.
Yes.
So you force him, even though his truck is a big thing. He doesn't have to. He could have just carried on, made you more slower.
Yeah.
Now, you know that slip road is nearly 1 mile long road.
Yeah.
It's a very long road. The slip road is there for you to build the speed up. Because the roundabout, when you go uphill on the roundabout, the sign says 50 miles an hour.
Yeah.
It's for the reason. It's asking you, the road you're going to be joined, it will be a 50 miles an hour. So make sure your speed is 50 before you join the road there.
Right.
Or close to 50. So what you need to do, just stay in your lane, just build the speed up there.
Yeah.
Forget about there's a fast lane there yet, or dual carriageway there yet. Build the speed up. When you think, right, okay, I touched nearly 40, 42 now, start looking in the mirror, give signal. Now, if you standing there, right?
Yeah.
Or there's about 20 or say like 30 people running on this road, but you want to cross the road at the same time, or you want to join them. They're running, and you are walking. Would you join them by walking?
I have to run first, then I join.
You have to run first. So the slip road is there for you for a reason. The slip road is there for you to run first.
Yeah.
Once you start running, everyone more welcome you in. Okay, you can come and join me now. Let's go together. Them cars already driving 50 miles an hour. So when you join from the slip road, you got to just speed off first, and then join nicely there. And that's for every rule you drive. Every time you're changing the lane, you give signal, you wait, keep going with the speed, wait for the safe gap to take this gap there. And that was a serious fault. After that, it was just fine. Everything was fine. We came in nicely there.
When I joined dual carriageway, so let's say I'm not getting space to join the dual carriageway, right? Can I reduce my speed a little bit, like 30s, just in case? And then probably I join.
No, it's a 50 zone.
I know, but
how would we? No. Look, how would we know the space? How would you say that it's no space?
I'm just checking. I'll check obviously on the right mirror, like if there is any space to join. So if people don't allow me to join, then
I just ask you the example here. If we were running and you're walking, what would you do? You said I will run first.
Yeah.
So if your speed is 50 or close, say it's like 40, 45, and I'm in a dual carriageway, I will let you in by watching the speed you drive in.
Yeah.
To calculate how fast you drive in, I will most nicely flash the light or make a gap more bigger, give you the space to join the dual carriageway there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can put in the scenario what will happen.
Yeah, that's what
It can happen, right? Say like it was just too busy for me and I got confused. I did not manage my speed well enough, and I'm struggling now with the dual carriageway. My slip road is finishing. I will just stay on the slip road. I will take the exit.
Okay.
I will not go into that road.
Mistake,
I will just go into that road there. I will go to the next, and that slip. Then another road comes and slip road and join you from further ahead.
Yeah.
I will go take that slip road, go to the next traffic light, go straight over the lights, come back on the same road again by slip road.
Yeah. Instead of making major mistake,
I will just ignore the turn, keep on going. Instead of doing a serious fault and harming everyone, or doing a silly fault to make other people make the same fault, it's like, sorry, not giving you space or giving you space and creating a problem. I will just ignore the turn. I will just carry on.
Yeah.
And I'll come back onto the next turn again one more time.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
But most likely, again, if your speed is good, everyone will ask you to join.
All right. Okay. So that means I have to be very careful with the speed.
Slip road is for you to build the speed.
Build up the speed. Yeah.
Yeah. Once your speed is good, they will let you in. And that's the first thing you should be understanding there. Slip road is for me. That's what we do on the roundabout. You know, when we go to, onto the motorway, when we go to the services, you travel with your family members, so you probably see when they go to the services, when they come out of the services, they speed up onto the slip road first.
Yeah.
Because that would be 70 miles an hour now.
Yeah.
So they build the speed up first. As soon as the speed is good, they will give signal. Everyone asking them to go join the road. Because the speed is good now.
Yeah.
But if they think that they come out of the slip road and 30 miles an hour going into 70, no one will let them in.
Yeah.
So they're driving too fast for the speed of your car now.
Yeah, of course, yes.
So match the speed, they will welcome you into the road.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, all good.
All good?
Yeah.
Hope it went well.
Yeah, that was really good. Yeah. Thanks for all the tips. I'll try to.
Yeah, just stay calm. Look, I would say 70% chance you might not go to the roundabout.
Yeah.
12, 13 is mostly a local route, so you probably will go to the local route, but we cannot ignore though.
Yes.
So it can be possible that you're going to the roundabout. Just make yourself ready. Do not force your way in. Don't rush.
Yeah.
Your driving is perfect. You're just rushing a bit.
Yeah.
So you just need to stay calm. You need to make sure you are safe on the road. Other people are safe on the road. Examiner is going with you. He's feeling safe.
Yes.
That he's very comfortable that you're driving really nicely. There's no way they would say, yeah, I'm sorry at the end of the test, I'm sorry you did not pass. They would say, yeah, it was a very pleasant driving. I enjoyed it. Because you stayed in control all the way through.
Yes.
Instead of making them take control of the car, they were just relaxed.
Yeah.
Enjoying your driving. Your decision making was really good there. So you got to take responsibility of your driving tomorrow. Just stay very calm. Listen to the instruction. If you could not hear clearly, you can always ask them, can you repeat please? Can you didn't understand? They will do it.
Of course.
If you miss your turn, you miss your turn. It's fine. It's human error. We're human, we can make mistakes. If you miss the turn, ignore the turn, go to the next one.
Yeah.
Recalculate the route if you're following the sign app, or if you're following the instruction of the examiner, they will tell you, well, it's all right, let's take the next turn to the right. Come back onto the same place again. Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
Well, wish you very best of luck for tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Do let us know though what's happened.
Of course, I'll let you know. I'll let you know on your YouTube channel comment box.
All right, I appreciate that. Right, thank you very much, and we thank you, Brother Jubair, as well for coming along with us. Wish you best of luck, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.